Hi everyone, my name is Matthew. I'm going on another holiday. I'm just deciding on which backpack to take. I'm going with Wizz Air. I decided to go with them because I really liked the service, and I have flown with them a couple of times now. And I leave from Gatwick Airport, so I've got a few backpacks here. Let me show you them. I've got this one I got a few weeks ago. It was on offer from Blacks, and this one I got from Amazon a few months ago now. And basically, they are at a reduced size, and basically, you can take this on the plane with you, so you don't have to check in at the airport. So essentially, you can just go straight through security with your boarding pass, and you can go straight to departures. So th- the first one I sold you, the blue one is a 35 liter, and the other one, the black one, is a 32 liter backpack. Some airlines, for example, will check and make sure that your backpack isn't or doesn't exceed the limit for the capacity. So either these two can easily fit under under the seat, or if you pay the priority, I think, fee, which is about £20, basically you can put these or a slightly larger backpack, like I've got a 40 liter backpack, into the overhead compartment. So just remember that if you bring anything over 45 liter, I think 50 and above, you will be asked to check it in, and you will be asked to, I think, pay an extra fee as well. But these ones that I've shown you here are very, very good. And I've used one, but I may use the blue one, but I'm gonna see how I feel. So it's all good. I'm just testing out my mic Lav Plus from Rode. Uh, I I got this mic yesterday, so I'm just making some more content for YouTube. So thank you very much, and share the content, and see you all soon. Bye.